What's your name?
My name is Zinat Ali.
Zinat, you take interest in Urdu also. So why do you take interest in Urdu?
Because it's very sweet language. If you wanna say something nicely, if you wanna say something rude also, so if you talk in Urdu language, it will become very sweet and people will understand and will not mind your word also. That's why.
It means Urdu is very sweet language.
It's very sweet language.
Okay. Would you like to recite any shairi in Urdu?
Of course, I have one. पाँव पत्थर करके छोड़ेगी अगर रुक जाइए, पाँव पत्थर करके छोड़ेगी अगर रुक जाइए, चलते रहिए तो ज़मीं भी हम सफ़र हो जाएगी.
Very good. पाँव पत्थर करके छोड़ेगी अगर रुक जाइए. So what does this line mean? Do you know the message of this couplet?
Yes, I can also explain the message of this
So,
couplet.
which type of message do you get from this couplet? पाँव पत्थर करके छोड़ेगी अगर रुक जाइए.
It shows the action in our life. If we are doing something continuously, we should do something continuously, and we should not stop in the middle of the work. If we stop that, it will not get a beneficial result which we want, and it shows also punctuality in our life. If we are punctual, so we will never get a bad result, and if we are doing something good, so we will never stop doing it.
Very good. So this couplet shows the importance of action.
Importance of
Action means life.
Life.
So we must believe in action.
Yeah.
We must believe in movement.
Yes, sir.
If we are not in action, it amounts to death.
It amounts to that.
So this couplet has a very nice message. Amna, do you also study Urdu?
Yes, sir.
You study Urdu.
Yes, I study Urdu.
So from your point of view, what is the importance of Urdu in our practical life?
Urdu is very important in our daily life.
Especially it makes our pronunciation correct
Yes.
and sweet also.
Yes.
I think you also take interest in shairi.
Yes, I am interested in.
Would you
shairi.
like to recite any shairi today?
Yes, I would like to recite one
Please.
शायरी.
Please recite.
हर किसी को चांद नसीब नहीं होता.
हर किसी को चांद नसीब नहीं होता.
हर किसी को सितारा नसीब नहीं होता. और किसी के पैर के नीचे बिछते हैं मखमल के गलीचे, तो किसी को ओढ़ने को कफन तक नसीब नहीं होता.
Very good, a very nice stanza.
Thank you, sir.
So, after reciting and after reading this stanza, the message which is hidden in this stanza, would you like to explain it?
Yes.
So, what type of message do we get?
It shows that.
There should be financial equality among all.
Yes.
This couplet, this stanza is showing that the rich are getting richer. The rich are getting richer and the poor are getting poorer daily. So from this couplet, from this stanza, we get a message of equality in financial condition.
Yes.
Everybody should be equally rich. Someone is very poor and someone is very rich. So this is bad in our society. So this message is a very good message. If you read shairi, so what is the benefit of shairi? Does it not increase our thinking power? Okay, Soumya, you are listening shairi today. So what are the advantages of shairi? Can you explain?
The shairi is pure our soul and increase our thinking power, and we think about the others, what the message we get about the shairi. And there are lots of messages, like just Amna said, the richer is getting rich is getting richer and poor are getting poorer. And we don't show off of our clothes, our gold and our money in front of poor and in front of other people. We are silently help them.
We should silently help them. There should be no show off.
Yes, sir.
Today we see that if somebody is helping someone, they are uploading the pic on the Facebook. So what's your opinion about it?
It's very bad, sir. We are not help him. We are
defaming them.
We are just clicking picture and post them Facebook and
It's very
Instagram.
bad.
And in this generation, there are lots of bad news happen in India day by day.
So we should do good work in a hidden way. We should
Yes.
not show it off, because God will give us the reward.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Iqra, first of all, your name is very good. Would you like to tell the meaning of your name?
My name is Ikra, so that's his meaning is Ikra means pardon.
Read.
Read.
So do you read?
Yes, I read, sir.
So this is the first word of the Holy Quran.
Yes.
The Quran started with this word, Iqra. So the message which we get from it, that we must study.
Study.
Education is compulsory on both men and women in Islam. So I think you also take interest in शायरी.
Yes, sir.
Would you like to recite any
I
शायरी?
would like to recite one शायरी.
Yes.
दिल में खुदा का होना लाजिम है इकबाल, सजदों में पड़े रहने से जन्नत नहीं मिलती.
Very good. So the message which we get from this couplet is that we should remember God from our heart.
We
Our
should
prayer
not-
should not be for show off.
Yes, sir.
So most of us are just praying
We should
externally.
we should not show in front of poor people. And
Yeah. Yes, yes. So we should remember God from our heart.
Yes.
We should believe that God is everywhere. The prayer should be pure, not for show off. Very good. Afsana, what's your opinion about Urdu? Is Urdu good language or not?
Urdu is a very good language and it is very sweet language.
It's very sweet language.
Yes.
Do you study Urdu?
Yes, I am studying Urdu.
In Oxford, you have come here. You have joined Oxford to learn English. So, how many languages are you learning here? Only English or also Urdu and Hindi?
Not only English, I am learning English with Hindi and Urdu.
Yes, you are learning all the languages.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much.